This beautiful octagonal Himalayan Citrine Vogel Wand by acclaimed master crystal cutter David Zhuang features some beautiful chevron zone formations in the shaft, indicating that the citrine is of an extremely high quality. The octagonal shape of this wand was thought by Marcel Vogel, the original American crystal cutter who brought the Vogel wands to fame in the 1980s, to be very valuable for healings done on the physical body as well as the biofield. Something about the eight-sided geometry of the wand produced an affinity with the physical dimension of human existence, and this wand designed to work well with that.